Hello creators. Adding subtitles to your videos doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, I'll show you how to create subtitles for free without any watermarks using veed.io. Let's dive in and make your videos stand out. Step 1. Access veed.io begin by heading over to veed.io. This tool works online, so there's no need to install anything. It's super simple and free. Step 2. Upload your video. Once you're on the site, click the upload button and add your video file. Veed accepts all common video formats, making it really convenient. Step 3. Automatically generate subtitles. After uploading, click on the subtitles option in the menu, then choose auto subtitles. Select your video's language and let the AI do its magic. In seconds, it will generate subtitles for your content. Step 4. Customize the subtitles. You can now fine-tune your subtitles, edit any errors, adjust the timing, and even change the text style, font, or colors to match your video's theme. Step 5. Export your video. Happy with your subtitles? Click export to download the final video. Veed.io lets you export your video without any annoying watermarks, completely free. And there you have it, an easy way to add professional subtitles to your videos without spending a dime. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.